Hi guys, just a quick little clip here. David and I are at the airport in Gran Canaria, the island of Gran Canaria, Canary Islands, however you want to pronounce it. And we're just up in the lounge here, and one of the beauties of this lounge is that you can see planes coming and going. And just straight ahead of us, you can see people that are boarding a plane. Hope the camera picks that up. And just beyond, you see that plane in motion right now on the runway, white and blue. Just beyond that is the ocean. This is the lounge. The food here is pretty fabulous. And here's David. Anyhow, folks, see you later.